daily English conversation on Let's Talk Travel.
Hi David, how are you?
Hey Sarah, I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm good, thanks. So, have you gone on any trips recently?
Actually, yes. I just got back from a week-long trip to Japan.
Wow, that sounds amazing. What did you do there?
I did a lot of sightseeing and tried some new foods. A highlight for me was visiting the temples in Kyoto.
That sounds really cool. I've always wanted to go to Japan. I've only been to a few places in Europe so far.
Oh yeah? Which places have you been to?
I've been to Paris, London, and Barcelona. I loved all three cities, but I think Barcelona was my favorite.
That's great. I've only been to London out of those three. I definitely want to explore more of Europe someday.
Yeah, there's so much to see there. But I also want to check out some destinations in South America and Asia too.
Same here. I'm already thinking about my next trip, maybe to Thailand or Peru.
Those both sound amazing. Let me know how they turn out.
Will do. Thanks, Sarah.
Loving what you see? Make sure to show us some love by liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment down below.